Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to review Dehancer, a powerful plugin for Photoshop, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve and more. If you are a beginner looking to achieve that classic cinematic film look, this is the perfect tool for you. It offers over 50 film profiles, including iconic stocks like Agfa, Fujifilm and Kodak. I have been using the Photoshop plugin personally, and honestly, I am loving the results. Whether it's the dramatic cinematic finish, the user-friendly interface, or the vast library of film-like effects, everything about it is amazing. So without wasting any more time, let's dive into the review. To be honest, I've always been a big fan of dramatic edits with a darker tone. However, Dehancer made me realize that brighter tones have their own unique aesthetic. Editing this image, which you can see on your screen right now, really changed my perspective. I honestly never considered brighter tones before using Dehancer. I have been experimenting with different looks using film profiles like the Orvo Chrome UT21 Daylight and Fujifilm FP100C. Trust me, combining these authentic film profiles with your regular workflow will absolutely boost your creativity and give your work a unique signature. Now, let's see how this photo transforms with some effects. So, here is the final result. What do you think about this transformation? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, let me show you some more images I have edited using Dehancer. Now let's talk about some important facts you need to consider before using this plugin. Number 1. GPU intensive. If you think this is a lightweight app, you are mistaken. Dehancer is designed for professionals and is quite demanding on your hardware. If your PC is not powerful enough, you might experience significant lag. Number 2. The cost. Since it's a professional grade tool, it can be a bit pricey. However, I have got you covered. You can use my code URPANWILD to get a 10% discount on your purchase. Number 3. Compatibility. It occasionally faces compatibility issues with older hardware or outdated software versions. Always keep your system and drivers updated to ensure a smooth experience. So that's all for today. I hope this helps you take your editing to the next level. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your photography enthusiast friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more content. And yes, remember to use my code URPANWILD for that discount. Thanks for watching.